What have we got for you this week? We've got St Michael's Tower, the Tor, YouTuber Wheels on Wheels, outdoor cooking, cute dogs of course, up the tower, down the tower, and a great pitch location. Well, today, as well as making Maya look cute, we're off to somewhere I've never been before, Glastonbury. So it's not too far for us. We're booked into a site for a couple of nights, so that's where we're headed now. Well, here we are, Glastonbury Cottages. It's like a small little CL site, although it's not affiliated to the Caravan and Motorhome Club or the Caravan and Camping Club. Yeah, it's really nice here, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely, yeah. It's like a big site in a baby site.
Yeah, they've got toilet facilities, showers.
Yeah, 2 showers, 2 toilets each for the ladies and gents, washing facilities.
Toilet emptying, electric hookup.
Fridge freezer, microwave.
This is our neighbour's
kettle.
van.
Guess the name.
Yeah, guess the name. So that's where we're heading, to St Michael's Tower at the top of the Tor. The tower is a Grade 1 listed building. The main way up to the Tor is from the town direction, but we're going to go on the quieter route through some little lanes. We call it the back route.
It used to be that you could park along here and wild camp or go off grid, but basically I'm not sure if this has happened since COVID, but now it's strictly no camping along here. As you can see, they've raised the bank really high and there are stones all the way along, so parking and camping around the Tor is very, very difficult, nigh on impossible.
Well, we're just about to start our main ascent onto Glastonbury Tor. I'm making it sound like Everest. We're going up there.
Looks exciting, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's quite a long way up.
Yeah, I've been here before, but not for about 40 years, so I don't know if I'll make the hill quite as easily as I did back then.
There's the Tor up there. Nice path up it.
Yeah.
I mean, there are steps further up, but it's run by the National Trust.
And it's free to visit. You don't pay anything to visit this place. Parking, I think, can be a little bit of a challenge.
Yeah, luckily where we're sited at the moment, we're just a walk away.
Which is rather nice.
Yeah, been walking for about 15 minutes to get here.
Yeah. Before we start our tour of the Tor.
Yeah.
So you think this is quite gentle, really? You know, it's a nice little path. Few little steps, and then you look up there. Wowee. Yeah, well, hey ho. A handy place to have a bench.
Yeah.
What would you say, about halfway up or a third?
Yeah, I think we're about halfway up.
But it's the easy half, isn't it?
Been sitting here for a few minutes, getting my breath back.
And it is the easy half, this half. It gets a bit steeper.
Yes, I think it gets steeper than this.
But it's a lovely view all around.
Yeah, it is.
It's quite breezy up here. It was hot where the van is, where Merlin is, wasn't it? But
yeah.
Coming up here, it's a lot windier.
I shall spin you round. You can see for miles, although it's a bit hazy today.
Yeah. Wonder what that place is over there in the distance, where that pylon is.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll have a look on Google Maps in a minute.
The Tor at Glastonbury is the natural hill on which St Michael's Tower stands. It rises about 158 metres or 518 feet above the surrounding flat land, and if you can climb to the top you get a fantastic 360-degree view. The distinctive shape is due to a combination of unusual geology and also the artificial terraces. The origins of these 7 terraces are uncertain. They don't know if they were built for growing vines or for ploughing, or possibly they could have formed a sacred labyrinth for pilgrims. It's unknown. Legend has it that underneath the hill there is a hidden cave where you can get into the fairy realm of Anwin. The lord of the Celtic underworld, Wib ab Nud, lives there apparently with the cauldron of rebirth. Later tradition has it that here also lies the Holy Grail brought here by Jesus' uncle Joseph of Arimathea. The cauldron and the Grail were both the object of quests for King Arthur and his knights. Glastonbury has a long tradition of being the Isle of Avalon, where King Arthur went after his last battle.
Well, we made it to the top.
Just about.
Yeah, just about.
It's quite a steep climb, isn't it?
Yeah,
But we knew it would be.
it is. It's lovely though, isn't it? Let's have a quick look in there. Oh wow.
That's incredible.
And this is looking to the north. That's beautiful, isn't it?
It's awesome. When I came up here the last time, it was really grey, wet and windy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just windy today.
I hope you can hear me all right. The wind's pretty strong. Here's a map plate showing north, south. That's north that way. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this because the wind's quite strong.
Yeah.
Let's turn around. There it is.
It's beautiful.
It's quite interesting. You've got 7 different alcoves there for statues, but they're not all used.
Well, I think maybe they were there once, but they got broken because there's half a statue on the bottom left there, isn't there? And then there's almost a complete one. I think it's lost its head, but on the right middle.
Yeah.
So I imagine, maybe they were taken down. I wonder what the significance is of the 7.
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't we? The history.
And there they are. You can see right straight through.
The tower is all that remains of the 14th century church of St Michael. It replaced a church which was destroyed by an earthquake. Before that, the Romans made use of the hilltop. Though now there's only the tower, there are carvings that survive to give some idea of how it was decorated. During the Reformation, when Glastonbury Abbey was suppressed, the tower was witness to a grisly scene. The last abbot of Glastonbury Abbey, Richard Whiting, was hung, drawn and quartered here, along with 2 of his monks, in 1539. This iconic hill has been a spiritual magnet for centuries for both pagans and Christians. Tales have grown out of history, becoming blended and embellished, leaving the truth, whatever it was, literally lost in the mists of Avalon.
But last night one of our subscribers turned up, and I'll turn the camera around so you can see their motorhome. It's a big one.
Oh, that's what she said.
So we're going to go over there and have a little chat with them in a moment.
Hello, yeah.
And they've also got a channel, Wheels on Wheels.
Wheels on Wheels.
Wheels on Wheels.
Wheels on
yeah.
Wheels.
I'll put it on the screen so everyone knows.
Yeah,
So,
nice couple.
Go and have a chat with them.
Before.
Oh.
Actually, I think you're the first visitors.
Oh, bless you.
Yes.
We're honoured.
You are honoured
Oh,
because
wow.
we don't often go away with company or even invite anyone. So come on in.
You sound like us.
What have you been picking?
Here she is.
Yeah, Baileys.
Ah, right.
Baileys. Hello, Baileys.
This is Ellie. This is Virgie.
Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet
You're right being filmed.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you.
Are you all right?
Alright, yeah, all right.
You're looking lovely. Oh, right. I should take my shoes off.
Oh, it's all right.
Oh, you think it?
This is like a house.
No, sit down.
This is bigger than our old motorhome, isn't it?
Gosh.
Yes, I think it is bigger.
Yeah, wow. Awesome.
Yeah, Virgie does a bit of cooking, so she cooks a bit of Filipino food now and again, and we
Nice.
didn't have any bay leaves, you see, and so
Broccoli.
You now do.
I love Baileys.
well, it's typical. The site we were just on, she said, I think there's bay leaves down by that tree there. So can you go and pick some? So I did. I said, not bay leaves. I came back with just a few random leaves.
Random dandelions.
Yeah, could have thrown
couple
them
of dock leaves.
Could have thrown them in, but it wouldn't have tasted the.
Not the same, no. So
no,
what do you have for your lunch? What sort of thing will you cook?
Well,
Thai curry, green red,
Curry. Oh,
Thai green
stir
curry.
fried noodles.
oh no!
Be afraid noodles.
It's a really good reason to have a big motorhome, isn't it?
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
going to get a decent curry, not like me with a little jar and.
Oh, she does a bit of British food as well. But the fact is, she likes to do a bit, and I filmed a few little meals that we've had as well, which
awesome.
it all is quite interesting, really.
Yeah.
But
Steve started the channel, Wheels on Wheels, about 6 months ago. That's right, isn't it? 6 months ago.
Yeah, it's slow picking up. But I've just reached a landmark actually this weekend.
Oh.
I've got what I aim to get, 50 subscribers.
Hey, well,
Yes,
first
I know.
50's the hardest.
It is.
Yeah.
You seem to just go up one, then one back, one forward.
So if you're able to, have a look at Wheels on Wheels and give them a subscribe. I think they'd be very appreciative of that.
Yeah,
Oh, we
definitely.
would.
Got to support our fellow YouTubers.
We have, yeah.
Definitely,
That's very kind.
definitely.
It's 100 is the next landmark
Yeah,
now,
for
and
sure.
if that comes about, well, it would be just appreciated, you know. Yeah.
Right, this is a quick look round. Like Steve and Virgie have called their van Homer. I wonder why, because it's like a big home, really.
Homer. And the colours are very Homer-esque.
Is it one of the character in Shakespeare's story?
No, Homer
Simpson?
we called Homer because it
It
was a
was.
motorhome that we want, and it was a home, so there we are.
Yeah,
Homer's the
yeah.
name.
Yeah.
And I think I might have the name eventually on the front. So
Yeah.
he could be christened officially
So
then.
we've all got to look out for Homer on the road. Yeah.
That's very kind.
And this is Homer on the outside. He's a big boy.
Myra and Luna have decided they want to meet Homer. Are you being nosy? Nosy girls. Aren't you? Did you wonder where we were? There you go. All right. Come on then, this way. Come on, girls. And there's the lovely Homer. Wheels on wheels.
Well, so nice to meet you, Steve and Virgie, in Homer, and hopefully we'll catch you again at some point. For us now, it's time for a little bit of outside cooking. We've got these Beyond Burgers going on the George Grill. They were absolutely delicious. Ellie made a nice salad to go with them. Gorgeous.